Babe,
Yeah?
I just started coughing blood.
What do you mean you're coughing blood? Oh no,
I
what's
literally
wrong?
just started coughing blood. I
How?
don't know what's wrong. I felt sick.
Let me get some water.
I don't want water. It's actually a lot. Ugh. Call the. Oh,
Get some water. Sit down, sit down.
no.
Oh my god, sit down.
No, I don't want to sit down.
Let me call that.
Look.
Let me call the
Why am I
hotel.
bleeding? There's a lot of blood. Babe,
Hello?
I feel lightheaded.
Emergency, please.
Babe,
Wait, 1 second.
I feel lightheaded.
Sit down. Hello, can I get ambulance, please?
Babe, it's a joke, it's a joke, it's a joke, it's a joke, it's a prank. It's a
Sorry.
prank.
What's
do you
wrong
feel
with
sick?
you?
Oh, it's making me sick for real.
What did you drink though?
Nothing. That was a prank.
What kind of prank is that?
You didn't
I
panic.
did panic.
You didn't.
panic.
You were so calm.
I did
So if I was
panic.
dying, you would literally be like, babe, are you okay?
How would you
You're too calm about everything. This is what I don't like about you.
But you play too much.
You're too calm about everything. It was a prank anyway.
Okay, you got blood all over whatever this ink. Take that off, man.
Did I do good? Did I do good, guys? It was hiding right behind the towels.
You need help.
So, babe, seriously, we need to talk about this. We really need to talk about this.
About what?
You wasn't worried. I was coughing blood, and you wasn't worried.
I knew it was a prank.
How?
Because you wasn't coughing blood.
I was coughing blood.
Like, I don't know, you must have drank it after you called my name.
I didn't.
Huh?
I didn't. I put it in the corner of my cheeks, but you didn't know it was a prank. So how your reaction like, babe, are you okay?
I knew it was a prank. Why you coughing? I knew it was a prank because I saw the blood on the thingy.
Yeah, but it looks real though.
It's watery, man. Blood is thick. Trying to prank me. How you coughing blood when we ate the same food?
Yeah, it can happen. Anything can happen.
Stop playing these kind of pranks, yeah? Because actually, you get me? If that happens, what would you do if it happened in real life? Stop crying wolf.
Yeah, but did you really call? Obviously, you didn't call the ambulance because you was
No, I
around.
didn't call the ambulance. I knew it was a prank.
You're so
I was
annoying.
trying to wait. If you had stayed, well, that's then I would have called
Yeah,
the
but I
ambulance.
thought it was really calling them, so obviously I had to cut it.
Stop playing wolf, yeah?
Whatever.
Them pranks ain't good.
Well, I still got you anyway.
Yeah.
Comment down below, Team
You
Nikki,
didn't get me.
guys.
You didn't get me.
Team Marvy, loser, take the L.
No, you take the L.
Take the L.
You take the L with dry skin.
Why you always got to talk about skin? Why?
My elbows are dry. Look at that.
Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in.
Elbows are dry.
Dry.
We left the cream, guys. We left the cream. We left soap.
So,
Now the hotel looks soap, yeah, but it's whack. It's not soap. I don't know what it
it
is.
made me break out, literally.
We left toothpaste. So right now we're talking.
Anyways, guys.
We broke the toothbrush. Yeah, I got toothbrush, but no toothpaste. So literally, I'm gonna be driving. I'm gonna stop off at the motorway at the petrol station, buy some toothpaste.
Some water.
I'm gonna be driving like this outside my car. But Nikki, yeah. That was her job to bring the toothpaste.
What else? What else?
And then just get ready.
Say bye to the team.
Team Marv, bye.
I had to use my phone to do this because the camera was taking too long to charge. But anyways, comment down below, Team Nikki. I think I got him good a bit. But the thing is about Marvin, I don't know why or how he does it, but he's calm about literally anything and everything. Like you guys saw his reaction. Someone's coughing up blood and that's your reaction. I don't understand. What is it going to take for him to crack? So it just means that I need to come a bit harder. I need to come a little bit harder. But anyways, comment down below, Team Nikki. Hashtag Team Nikki. Because I've got more in stock. I have more in stock. And yeah, check out her bling bling. Ooh. You guys noticed that this hand never goes down anymore. This hand never goes down anymore. Hey. Yeah, comment down below, Team Nikki, guys. Come on. Team Nikki all the way. If you're not on Team Nikki, then what are you doing, please? What are you doing? Anyways, let me finish my makeup and we shall talk to you guys in a bit. Bye.